Welcome to Problem Solvers, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please like and share the video.
This is R, but also this is R. And then finally, this is R. It's arguably the language of data science. And just so you don't think I'm making stuff up off the top of my head, I have some actual data. This is a ranking from a survey of data mining experts on the software that they use most often in their work. And take a look here at the top. R is first. In fact, it's 50% more than Python, which is another major tool in data science. And so both of them are important, but you can see why I personally am fond of R and why it's the one that I want to start with in introducing you to data science. Now, there's a few reasons that R is especially important. Number one, it's free and it's open source compared to other software packages. It can be thousands of dollars per year. Also, R is optimized for vector operations, which means it can go through an entire row or an entire table of data without you having to explicitly write for loops. If you've ever had to do that, then you know it's a pain. And so this is a nice thing. Also, R has an amazing community behind it where you can find supportive people and you can get examples of whatever it is you need to do, and you can get new developments all the time. Plus, R has over 9,000 contributed or third-party packages available that make it possible to basically do anything. Or, if you want to put it in the words of Yoda, you can say this: this is R. There is no if, only how. And in this case, I'm quoting R user Simon Blomberg. So, very briefly, in sum, here's why I want to introduce you to R. Number one, because R is the language of data science. Because it's free and it's open source, and because of the free packages that you can download and install, R makes it possible to do nearly anything when you're working with data. So I'm really glad you're here, and then I'll have this chance to show you how you can use R to do your own work with data in a more productive, more interesting, and more effective way. Thanks for joining me.